I've got to say it's pretty good. Hi everyone, I'm Tom from Esquire Middle East. Now we are here at Catch at the Fairmont Dubai to check out one of Chef Bobby's most signature dishes. Let's go check it out.
Chef Bobby G, that's kind of like my nickname, Bobby Griffing, here at Catch in Dubai. So today I was asked to come up with a signature dish that nobody else does, and it's a lot of people do spicy pasta dishes, and but mine's a king crab, which I'm a fan of. I don't like lobster that much. I like king crab better. It's better product. Squid ink noodles, and we serve it in a king crab head. So first step, we roast the uni and the josper. Second step, we take shallots, saute them, add a little bit of some cream, reduce it, add some tomato paste that we actually make in-house, and we reduce that. And then we continue to reduce everything together to bring the flavors. We add some chili, rocket greens, spicy crab pasta, and then the king crab. You know, I've never really seen it anywhere, and I know people do crab dishes and crab pastas and lobster pastas, but I've never really seen somebody do the squid ink pasta, the king crab, which is a little bit expensive, but I think the dish is just, you know, it's pretty awesome. And the crab head.
So this is the dish. Spicy crab pasta. And I guess the elephant or the crab in the room, why is it served inside a crab's head?
It's actually perfect for that. It's a perfect bowl.
So why don't we dig in? Do you want to do the honors?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go for it. Cheers, thank you very much.
Cheers.
It's really good. You get so much crab, like flavor through it. Is that just from adding kind of the king crab?
No, I think it's a combination of everything. It's spicy, but not too much, so you get a little bite, but it's still sweet. And king crab is actually one of my favorite things. So crab, actually, period. I happen to believe that when you make something with love and passion, it always tastes better. Mm. So when people cook at home, they cook at home more for necessity. Mm. I mean, I've been doing this 32, 33 years, and I've really never worked a day in my life. Mm. So I think that's the key to cooking and ingredients.
Mm. Thank you very much, Chef.
Oh no, thank you.
And I can't wait to come back to Catch at the Fairmont Dubai to try it once more time.
Door's always open.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thanks, man. Cheers.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, because we're going to be bringing you more Esquire Eats each and every week.